Hello everybody. So I'm just gonna go straight to it. My battery just been acting up, but this is day 26 of my 40-day fast. You can see them cows grazing in the background, so I thought I'd just do this video before the cows come home. So just to emphasize on my point regarding grazing and grazing and grazing, just look at them. They will not stop. They will not stop grazing. And so as human beings, we need to give our body a break. Okay, eat meals, no little meals every so often. That is called grazing, and that's what cows do. So I just thought I would just mention that. So I'm at my favorite place. I'm just gonna turn around here. There we go. Busy finalizing the renovations, and really excited about it. And when it is done, I will definitely record it. So where are the cows? Where are the cows? Wonder if I can get closer. Just gonna turn around again. There they are, heading their merry way and grazing along. Well, when I'm busy, I'm strong. So just spend the whole day here in the farm and just supervising, making sure everything just works out really amazing. So I have not had time to feel sorry for myself, get hungry and all of those. So I had brought with me my electrolyte supplies, so that has kept me going, for quite a bit. Anyway, so hey, see you tomorrow.